guys, I actually saw this setup yesterday while I was trading. Okay, so I saw this setup on SFX 99 volume 99, and of course, if you should check it out, I'm going to show you what I noticed before I decided to take on this trade. Okay, this is so unique and so beautiful. Okay, so I'll actually, this is on 30-minute time frame. If you should notice, this actually gave us a simple structure right from here. First of all, you can see it got to this region, which is the support zone, and it went back up and of course came down again. And I already put it there that if it does not break out from here, then it should go back up. Okay, so it went back up, and of course, guys, this side was actually the entry point, and while we put our stop loss somewhere here. Okay, but you can see it actually went up and gave us more profit. If you should notice, I also put another trend line here to identify the resistance zone which it has been getting to. So the first TP was at this trend line, and it gave us that. You can see this is 30-minute time frame. Then thereafter, immediately it broke out from there. It gave us a smooth movement till the very end. Okay, so and right now we are waiting for this section. Okay, this particular section, okay, you can see it right here. Once it breaks out above that, then it should be getting to this region. Okay, this particular spot, it should be getting to somewhere here. Okay, so we just need it to prove to us that it can break out above this before we jump into the trade again and see if we can get it to this level. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. Okay, so this is a simple trading strategy. Let me take it to 1 hour time frame so that you get to see what I'm actually saying properly. Okay, so you can see this structure actually gave us the bigger picture of W. That is why I decided to take on the trade. Okay, just the way you are seeing it. Okay, so if you follow the chart pattern, even if you are not using the custom made indicator, if you follow all this chart pattern, you will always be in profit. Okay, you can see, so this will definitely get to this region, and if it breaks out above it, we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, and it is something you should always apply each time you are trading. Okay, so this is how you can use it to buy an asset, any asset at all, either it is our SFX, our volume 99, or boom or crash or wherever. Okay, this is how you can use it to trade the assets successfully. Okay, so you can see the beauty of it. So this is a buy entry, and it gave us a beautiful buy entry somewhere around there, and we milk the profit till this very moment. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of this opportunity. It is still buying and may likely get to this spot, and if it breaks out above it, then we will be heading towards this particular spot. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. If you love this video and you enjoy the strategy which I shared right here, you can give me a follow for more, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, kindly drop a question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.